डायरेक्टर पंचायत सिद्धी हरणकर मुरगावचे व्हिडिओ श्री प्रसिद्ध नाईक उत्कावन झालेले असा भावतो दाखवून या रथाचे उत्कावन जातल्याचा श्रमदानाचे कार्यक्रम जातलो हातून सगळ्या हांगा उपस्थित सैनिकांनी हातभार लावलो अशें म्हाका हिरो भावतो दाखवून या रथाचे उत्कावन जाल्लेले आसा
Hold on, sir. Sir, Arjun bhai.
बंद करू शकता पंकज
Sir, I have a program. Tell us something about the program. How many village panchayats have participated? What is the program all about?
See, this is the launch of Bharat Swachh Abhiyan Gramin Phase 2. Phase 1 was ODF and cleanliness drive, Swachhata, all what our Honorable Prime Minister says, Swachhata ki aur badho. In this particular Phase 2, 60 panchayats have been selected and government is spending something like 140 crores. It includes everything as far as Swachhata is concerned, whether it is ODF program, whether it is cleanliness, giving money for cleaning everything as far as keeping the village clean is concerned, and all related programs like even giving toilets to household and giving them money to build. All this is included in that particular program. Whatever developmental work, small works have to take place. Panchayats have to give their specific requirement to the agency appointed by our department. Accordingly, it will be done in such a way that it is panchayat specific. So by doing this, at the ground level, what the panchayats want as far as phase 2 of the project to maintain the village ODF free, to maintain the village garbage free, to treat all types of waste, whether wet waste, dry waste, segregation. You need e-vehicles will be there to transfer it to the designated places. All this is part of this program. Today, 9 out of 10 panchayats which constitute the Murmungaon block participated. Because I believe one thing very clearly, it is a program being launched in the south. I am a minister from this block, Murmungaon block. Charity begins at home. If my own area is not clean and if I don't give a push, how can I give the push to other outside constituencies? So it has started from here and it has started very well with tremendous response from all sarpanchis, all panchis. And I must compliment my BDO Prasid for taking the initiative, Prasid Naik, along with my director Siddhi Halankar. They have really taken pains to see that this program is a success. All other officials participating have given their helping hand, and I am very thankful to all the sarpanchis and deputy sarpanchis along with their panchis. Really, they are very enthusiastic about this program, because without the participation of the people, what is the use? In this regard now, I want to tell you, Sankwal Panchayat pre-TPT plant is going to be ready very soon for inauguration. That means through methane gas they will be generating also power. They will be using this gas. In the first phase, MRF, Material Recovery Facility, is going to be inaugurated by me on Monday as far as Sankwal is concerned. In Chikali Panchayat also, it is a 5 TPT plant. MRF shed also, the roofing is being put. We are also trying to complete that as soon as possible. I am giving 2 examples in Murmungaon block itself. And along with that, we will also be putting the TPT plant which is of 5 tons, because our area naturally has to be clean. It is around the airport. And हे सगळी कामां जाता तेन्ना एकूच संदेश हो सरकार खऱ्यांनी काम करता, काम केला ते दिसता आनी काम दिसता ते लोकांकूय खबर आसा. आमी बेश्टे वाऱ्यार उलयना. इतले पयशे मोडटा, कित्याक मोडटा? हांव तरी एक मानता, आमी आमचे ग्रामीण भाग तरी सारके साफ सफाई सारकी केली, सगळे निवड दवरले. निवड मना जातली लोकांचे. निवडसाण कोण घाण करना. निवड तोट येयल्यार आज जे चड प्रश्न उपलब्ध जाता ते आख्खे गोंयचे व लोकां मदें ते कमी जातले, कित्याक लोक स्वच्छताकी ओर बडोवप. म्हणजे तुजे स्वच्छ थॉट्सूय येतले, स्वच्छ मनान तुजे विचारूय येतले, आनी स्वच्छ मनान विचार येयल्यार सगळेच स्वच्छ जातले. हो तेजो उद्देश आसा. माननीय प्रधानमंत्री बाब नरेंद्र मोदीन 2 ऑक्टोबर कितलेशे वर्सां फाटीं तुमकां याद आसतली तेणें लॉन्च केल्लें आपण स्वताचो झाडू मारून. आज लोक तेजें उदाहरण घेवन ते लोकांकूय स्फूर्ती मेळ्ळी आसा आनी तो थिंगा थांबूना. आज फेज 2 हाडली तेणी. जे वेट वेस्ट, ड्राय वेस्ट, मेडिकल वेस्ट सगळे मॅनेज करपाचे, म्हणजे आख्खो गांवच साफ करपाचो. पूण लोकांनी हेजेर सपोर्ट दिवपा जाय, लोकांची मदत आसपा जाय, तेन्ना हे सगळे सारके थाऱ्यार बसतले.
Sir, some of the roads are in bad shape. By December code of conduct लागतात. त्याच्या पहिले रस्त्याचे रिपेअरिंग
प्रत्येक मंत्र्याक काळजी आसा, प्रत्येक MLA काळजी आसा आपले कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन रस्ते सारके जावचे म्हणून. आमी PWD मिनिस्टरा कडेन रिप्रेझेंटेशन दीत आसा, ताका सांगीत आसा, आनी तेणें मागीर आमी मान्य मुख्यमंत्र्याकूय सांगला. आनी हांव तरी खात्रेन सांगपाक शकता, नोव्हेंबरान सगळीं कामां सुरू जातली. रस्त्याची जे बुराक पडला, रस्ते सारके ना, डिसेंबर जाचे आदी हे सगळीं कामां म्हाका दिसता जातली. कित्याक म्हाका खबर आसा म्हाज्याच कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन कितलींशीं कामां वर्क ऑर्डर दिवन कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर काम सुरू करपाचो आसा. जे पर्यंत पावस सारको थांबना PWD ती ऑर्डर दिवपाक शकना. आतां पावस ऑलमोस्ट थांबलो न्हू, ती वर्क ऑर्डर दिली म्हणटच तुमी पळयतले काम सुरू जाता तें.
Sir, now TMC party has come into Goa, approaching a lot of candidates around in almost all constituencies. Do you think it is advantageous for the BJP or do you think it is a threat?
See, BJP has got a track record of development. BJP has got a track record of performance before the people. BJP has got a track record of giving schemes to the people, whether it is youth, women and the entire population. Others are only making false claims. And everybody is welcome. Let any party come. They will promise the moon. Are people going to believe them? Amka Chondri Medlo. They can promise because they know they are not going to come to power. So they can promise anything to the people.
So one more thing on digital meters. Recently you have made an announcement that the entire amount is going to be refunded. Still, there are some demands saying that if the government wants to give it free of cost, they must totally give it free of cost.
No, see, there are certain financial rules under which the government is bound. We are not only giving the meter free. आम्ही एक परत हांव सांगता, पयले 3 म्हयने सुमार 1 म्हयनो सुमार लागतालो 50% मेळपा तेंच्या अकाउंटाक क्रेडीट जावपाक. एकदां मिटर बसयलो आनी फारीक केल्लो म्हणटच मागीर कितें जाल्लें, उरलेले 50% मागीर मेळटाले. उरलेले 50% एंड ऑफ द इयर. पॅन्डेमीक आमचे कडेन कांय पयशे ना. डेटा चार्जीस फारीक करपा आमकां बॅक एंड सर्विसीजा पयशे ना. डेटा चार्जीस फारीक करपा पयशे ना. आमी एंटायर एमावंट 11,124 आमी तांकां दिता. पूण हे आमी वेंडर जो मिटर बसयता तेज्या हातीन आमी ते पयशे दिवपाक शकना. तांकां येता ताका फ्री बसय म्हूण. देर आर सर्टन फायनान्शियल रुल्स अंडर वीच वी आर गवर्न. तेणी आपले पयशे भरून हांव मान्य करता. तेणी भरचे पडटा सगळे पयशे. मिटर बसयलो, एक फॉर्म भरचे पडटा. 1 दिसा भितर मॅक्सिमम 2 दीस लागतले. नेक्स्ट डे तेजे अकाउंटार ते पयशे येतात. सो इट इज फ्री मिटर ओनली. बट वी कांट ब्रेक द फायनान्शियल रूल. कित्याक तेणी एक समजून घेवपा जाय असली स्कीम आख्खे इंदे हुंयच ना. आमी स्पेशल केला अँड वी कांट ब्रेक फायनान्शियल रुल्स कंप्लिटली.
Thank you.
या
I think in Penji. Sir.